What is up, RC enthusiasts? Back here again today with a review of this truck that looks very familiar but has a different name to it up here. So you can see right here it says DeeRC right here. So this product right here is brought to you by these guys. You can find a link below. This product is on Amazon and this was sent to me for review by them. So go ahead and check this out. So you can see right here, it's inside the typical packaging we see these things in all the time. And if you notice up there on the top, you see a battery taped to the box right there. And guess what? With this one you get two batteries because there's already one sitting in here. So let's go ahead and let's see what you get with this thing. So this transmitter you get included right here uses two AA's, which is pretty convenient. You have steering, trim right here, and speed switch. So that's your dual rate right there to turn the truck speed up and down, and you got steering reversing right here, and you're on and off. So pretty simple. It's full proportional throttle and steering. Little aux button here, I'm not sure what that's for, because this thing does come with lights right here that you have to install yourself. Spare body clips with little tabs right here to grab onto, so they're easy to remove. I like that a lot. And your sticker kit that's in here. So that's what you get underneath the truck. And now the truck itself. There you guys go. It's a nice looking truck. I really do like this body. Shocks seem to be very bouncy on this one. None of them are oil filled. These are just all spring shocks, friction shocks they call them. Tires, they're pretty hard, but good enough for bashing because they'll last long that way. Let's take these body clips off, which is pretty simple now with these little handles. As you can tell, that's a setup in there. Looks like you got a waterproof or water resistant ESC receiver combo. That's where you're going to plug the lights into right there. Then you're just going to route them all the way up to the front and plug them into these little holes up here for the lights. They just press fit in there. There's your brushed motor, maybe 380 size, long can. And here's your other battery. Batteries that they include: 800 milliamp hour, 7.4 volts. Steering servo is 5-wire. Not a fan of that, but you know, they are very popular now, so it is easy to find spares for them. And they are adequate for these little guys. Well, there you go. The only difference I see from the brushless version of this is obviously no brushless ESC and receiver combo and no brushless motor. And the brushless one did come with a bigger 1500 mAh, but it's also a lithium ion cell. And the rear drive shafts on this one are plastic instead of metal, like the brushless one. But the brushless one does have plastic drive shafts in the front still, so that's no different there. Everything else seems to be similar. There's ball bearings in there and everything. The truck is smooth. You know me, I like these things a lot. So let's get this thing out for a run. Alright guys, keep that in mind. I have not charged this. I literally pulled it out of that box. You guys watched me pull it out of the box and unwrap the whole thing in front of you guys. So there's no charge on this. So the battery should be, if it's properly stored, at half charge when they transport it. So that battery is definitely not fully charged, and we're not seeing the full potential of this car, and it's definitely no brushless rig for sure, but it's still pretty fun, and it goes pretty far. And the speed being the way it is, should be pretty reliable too. Good for the younger ones, you know, you're 14 plus. Well, there you guys go. The DeeRC 16889, which is like the HPX 16889. Another sweet little rig. Something nice for the younger ones or somebody new to the hobby, so that way they can get used to it without breaking it really quickly, because this thing should be pretty reliable the way it is. And it's still pretty fun, as you can tell in my little run right there. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. Glad you stopped by. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more. And as always, go out there, be safe, have fun, and run that RC.